Okay, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's basically mine run material. It's good to practice on, get the feel for cutting the opal before you buy some good material. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. The rules in millimetres that you saw earlier. There's a seam there you could follow. Brown on the top needs to be ground off to see what you've got underneath. Some of the pieces I've just thrown in, that would still make a little interesting pendant perhaps. Cut along there like that. With this you need to take this piece off the top. See what sort of colour you got underneath. That's actually should be quite a nice piece. Piece like this, I think, just shape it the way it is. It's got a natural flaw by the looks there, which you could split, but it's fairly concave, convex, so probably better off to leave it. Something like that. Maybe grind this off. You might get a bit more colour under here. You can see some of it showing there. If I didn't say earlier, some of these pieces I've just thrown in, I'd rather see you have them and play with them. It's got an interesting bit more colour there.